Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful summer evening here in Sydney. I'm going to do something exciting today. Let's go. I want to show you something. This is one of my zucchini plants, and these are the big ones. Look at this, look at this. So I'm going to harvest these two, and I'm going to make a very tasty dish today. Wow, it's beautiful and it's heavy. Let's harvest the other one. Look at this one. It's beautiful, isn't it? I'm pretty sure it's more than 500 grams. Around 600, I guess. Growing your own food gives you so much happiness, trust me. Also, it saves money. Okay, I need some curry leaves for this dish, so I'm going to get some from the garden. This is my curry leaf plant. It's not a big one though. Let's start cooking. The first thing we are going to do is to grate the zucchini. So I'm going to cook only one today. The other one I gave to my son who got married recently. Okay, so let's grate this one first. After you watch this video, let me know whether you have cooked zucchini this way, or do you have any other recipes with zucchini. I know a lot of people grill zucchinis or add into their stir fries, but try this one as well. Cook on medium heat. Now we are going to add oil. You can use any oil, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, any oil you like. So we add some oil first, and then we add chopped onions. The quantities of the ingredients you are using here, you can adjust according to your taste and wish. So I have taken only one zucchini, it's a large one, that's why I'm taking these quantities. And the next thing is to add couple of garlic, chopped garlic, and curry leaves. You can add more curry leaves if you want. So fry it for a while, about a minute or so. Now you add ground mustard seeds. Make sure not to add too much because it's little strong, so about 1 teaspoon. Okay, into this you add turmeric powder, chili powder, and curry powder. The quantities depend on your wish, your taste. So I haven't shown it here how much I added. It hasn't been recorded, unfortunately. Okay, next thing we are going to add the grated zucchini. So mix well while it is being cooked. Now you can add salt according to your taste. Next thing we are going to add is grated coconut. You can use desiccated coconut or fresh coconut. I'm using desiccated coconut here. So what you do, you add some water to desiccated coconut and microwave for about 30 seconds and you get fresh coconut. Mix well and cook until it's a little bit dry. Don't overcook it because you have grated zucchini, so you don't have to cook too long. So about a couple of minutes, okay? All right. I usually have this with rice and other curries. If you want, you can have with bread or roti or whatever you like. It's really tasty. You should try this. Okay, it's time to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to leave a comment and try this recipe and let me know. There you have it. It looks delicious. Thanks for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.